It's Curly Cam. Hey, Curly girl. What are you looking at? Looking for the babies? I see Bubba. There's Bubba. Can you see him? That's the husband. And that's the wife, I think. Come here. Here, it's a good baby. Come here, baby. Say hello. Come on. I don't want to see my feet. I want to see you. Meow. Go on. Get up here. Curly Cam. Curly, you ask why? That's why. Look at that ear. Look at that ear. Crazy ear. Say hello. Where are the babies? Here. Here. Not bad for a wild cat, huh? We take care of her. Curly Cam comes to an end. Bye-bye. Look at that tail.